If you love me, I'll be waiting at home. If you
Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. For this video, I'm going to make a apple cake. So now guys, here are the ingredients for the apple cake. So this is the apple, the 3 apples, but I have to cut and remove the skin. This is the walnut, flour, white sugar, baking powder and baking soda, cinnamon. So now guys, this is a cinnamon I have to add after I cut the apple, milk, corn oil, any kind of oil guys, you can use it, egg and vanilla. So now guys, wait a minute guys, I have to cut the apple. Okay, I will be back. Hi guys, I come back guys, I cut already the apples. Look at this. So yan na guys, I add the cinnamon guys. I did not on the camera. Okay. And then we add this one guys on the top. Okay, now guys, the first thing guys, we have to make first the egg and sugar. So and then guys, we have the flour.
need to have some faith.
Okay, then guys, yeah, the sugar, eggs, and vanilla, and we have to beat it for 5 minutes. You know guys, it's very easy. Ayan na guys. Beat it. Look at this guys, the egg and sugar, make that. Okay guys, I just want to show you guys how it's become fluffy before you add. So guys, you have to make sure it's the egg and sugar, it will be fluffy. It's like this guys. Before you add the oil and milk. So you have to beat it at 5 minutes or your mixer, it depends. For your mixer, it's more than 5 minutes. But when you see it's fluffy already guys, just you add the oil and milk. Okay? So now guys, we add the oil and milk. Guys, it's very easy guys. And then add the milk and then continue to beat like that. So and now we add the flour. So now guys, we have the walnuts. And it's done. Now guys, we add the apple. Did you see guys still the fluffy? If you make the cake guys, you have to make first the egg and sugar. You have to beat it 5 minutes or more than 5 minutes guys. It depends to your mixer, the speed to your mixer. So now guys, we add the apple.
I'm just a simple man. I'm really just believe what you see is just what I am.
So, ayan na guys. Now, we put here on that 3. Okay? Apple cakes. So, here now guys. So, now, I has to add apple on the top.
There's a whole lot of men right here with a whole lot of love to share. Mom and Daddy raised me right. Tip your hat, son, and be polite. Someone for everyone. We need to have some faith.
Okay guys. At least guys. So now ready for the oven. You have to bake it for
Let him do his thing.
350 Fahrenheit to 35 to 40 minutes guys. I'm so excited to cut this one. So but guys, we have to wait to become cold and then I will remove it, okay? So ayan na guys, I want to cut guys.
One side
Look at what is this the inside.
Give my tears a
Yahoo! I'm really happy. I'm excited to eat guys, you know.
You'll find what you're looking for.
Ayan na guys. Look the inside guys. It's the apple cake. Wow. That's so yummy.
Don't let me go. One last kiss goodbye.